seem that interested in learning. Some of them might appear lazy, others are disorganized. And you try a lot to push these students, but there comes a point when you feel like nothing you're trying is making a difference. But that is the time when the student need their teachers to invest in them, believe in them, and inspire them to learn. Here in this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to motivate and inspire these students to learn. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to get more such information which can help you with your teaching profession. So the number one thing which you should do is to believe in these students, because that's what they need the most. If you don't believe that a particular student is going to complete his work, he probably won't. So stop assuming that they won't and start believing that they can and will. This positive approach will create a drastic change in the behavior of the students, and they'll feel more motivated and inspired to learn. Point number 2 is to be extremely encouraging. Sometimes students who appear lazy are actually discouraged or frustrated that they are having trouble in learning. Our words can be extremely powerful in inspiring them. But more importantly, we can encourage them by giving them one-on-one help and showing them that they can indeed do the work and be successful. It can make a world of difference when they see that they are capable of even small successes. It is also important to point out their success and show them that their hard work is paying off. Number 3, make learning fun. You don't have to be constantly doing activities to make the learning fun, but just be passionate about what you are teaching and let the passion shine through. Tell relevant stories and add in sense of humor in order to gain students' concentration. And simply show the kids that they can do it. Students enjoy learning when they feel that they are being appreciated and they are on the right track. Number 4, be wise with your homework. More homework does not necessarily mean more learning. So be considerate of the student's family time by only assigning homework that is truly valuable and necessary. When you limit the quantity of homework you assign, you can focus on quality and expect more from your students. Expect them to complete every assignment and have logical consequences for when they don't. Last but not the least, get the parents involved. Sometimes parents who just seem not to be interested in helping their students are actually just at a loss of what to do. So give them some specific things they can do to help their student and see what happens. And when you talk to them, be sure to focus on the solution, not on the problems. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like watching it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Thank you.